Most people think a simple metal shelf is just a piece of scrap, but this heavy-duty beast might be the only thing standing between your expensive gear and a catastrophic floorbound disaster. When looking at the Digitus DN-97644, it is easy to dismiss it as just another rack accessory, but the moment it is handled, the weight and the quality of the metal tell a different story. This is a component designed by Eastman Electronic for those who do not want to take risks with their hardware. It fits perfectly into any standard 19-inch rack, taking up just 1 unit of vertical space, yet it boasts a massive weight capacity of 50 kilograms. That is an incredible amount of strength for something only 4.5 centimeters tall. One of the most frustrating things about setting up a server cabinet is finding shelves that actually fit the depth of the frame. But this model solves that with its adjustable mounting depth, starting from 35 centimeters. The gray finish is clean and professional, blending right into industrial or home lab environments without looking out of place. It feels incredibly rigid, which is exactly what is needed when supporting heavy non-rackable equipment like battery backups or older workstations. There is a certain peace of mind that comes from knowing the shelf will not sag or buckle under pressure. It is not just about the raw specs, though. It is about how easily it integrates into a workflow. The installation is straightforward, and the metal feels thick enough to handle years of sliding gear in and out. For anyone tired of flimsy shelves that bend at the slightest touch, this is a massive step up in quality. It is a rugged, dependable foundation for any serious networking setup. If the goal is to maximize space while ensuring total stability for heavy equipment, this shelf is an absolute powerhouse that delivers exactly what it promises.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.